How to remove white border around icons on iPhone after iOS update. So you may experiencing white borders around the icon. This is because of the liquid glass. So to remove it, what you can do is go into settings. From the settings screen, we scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then we scroll down and tap on display and text size. Now turn on increase contrast and reduce transparency. And after, go back to your home screen and check out the icons, and you will notice a difference, and there will be no white border or will be removed from the icon. You can try to turn off, reduce transparency, and see if it makes any difference. Otherwise, you can just have it on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.